Hi, welcome, Simon here, and I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'll be replacing the battery on an HP laptop. Just a quick example, if your trackpad is not clickable, if you feel like the left click or the right click is kind of hard to press, or maybe the trackpad has some kind of problem with the cursor, or maybe that the back of the computer you feel like it's not even, meaning that the battery is swollen from the inside out. So when the battery is swollen, it pushes against the trackpad and also the bottom cover of your laptop. So if that thing happens to you, then more likely you need to replace the battery. Alright, so let me jump right into the model here. If you can see, if I can see if the focus actually works. Sorry, the model is 14T. Right there is 14T ef100. Okay, so that is the model of the laptop. Let's jump right into it. The first thing I'll be using is the Torque T5. There are two screws on the top, left and right. And there are two screws at the bottom, which is a lot shorter compared to the two screws on the top. Once you have removed 4 screws in total, the next step is to go ahead and pry open the back cover. You can get a plastic prying tool to go in between that cover and gently push it up to pry it open and work your way around it. Once you have removed the back cover, the next step is to disconnect the connector, the battery connector. The battery connector is connected here on the top right corner. The little white connector, you just have to slide it down like such. Okay. And get a Phillips screwdriver to remove all the screws. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws in total. All the 6 screws are removed. You now can lift up the battery and can just properly dispose the battery. Now, if you're not sure where to find the replacement battery, please check the link down description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find a replacement battery for this model. This is the model of the battery, WS04XL. Okay, just a quick reminder, if you have the charger plugged into your computer, that USB-C port, if you plug into your computer always at 24/7, you overcharge it overnight, things like that, those are the things that can kill the battery prematurely, meaning that the battery would just swollen. So now this is a good battery. As you can see that the battery is totally flat. There's no sign of swollen. In this video, I'm just wanted to show it to you. If that happens to you, this is how you're going to replace the battery. Okay, now again, if the battery is swollen, I'd just like to point it out to you. The trackpad is right underneath that, so you will probably pushes the connector, the clicker, right at the bottom here, where it may have damaged your touchpad or things like that. So change out the battery and hopefully that helps and fix the problem that you have. Thanks for watching. If you do find this video is helpful, please smash the like button for me. And if you would like to share your gratitude, to show your appreciation, to support my work, my channel, and this video, please click on YouTube Super Thanks. YouTube Super Thanks allow you to share some donation, and I really appreciate you for doing that. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.